Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are planning to build a professional website or blog for home decor services, here you can see these are some interior design services that you can create your own professional WordPress blog so that customers can read, as well as you can guide to the customers so that how they can decor their homes, and just you can give a professional, like you can create blog posts, as well as scroll down here you can see you can add more details. So after that you can generate a revenue from this type of website. How you can generate revenue? For example, you can add more and blogs, and after that you will connect Google AdSense in your website so that the Google AdSense will add some type of ads in your website. After that, when someone reads your blog posts, then you will get a lot of money. After that, here you can see on the right side it has sidebar option that you can add recent posts, as well as categories, date and tags. After that, scroll down here you can see this is a professional footer section that has contact details as well as social media icons. So just you can build this type of website within couple of clicks. Here you can see this is a professional header menu that has logo section, menu section that has various categories, for example living room, kitchen, outdoors, as well as it has contact page, and it has a long text button as well as background image. So just you can replace the text with your own text. So let's see how we can build and get this type of professional website. To build any type of WordPress website, you just need two things. One is called domain, so that is basically your website name, and the second one is called hosting, where your website files are stored in a server. So here you can see these are the top famous companies. So these are the hosting providers that you can compare prices. So this is almost $3 monthly, and also you can check here HostGator. So scroll down and let's check. These are the hosting packages that you can select one of these. Just here you can select starter package, and after that on the next page here you can see this is a section that you can fill out a form. But before that you can just add your domain name. So make sure that your domain name will be unique. Like if we add Amazon, so you will not be able to purchase this domain because this name is already taken. And after that just you can scroll down here you can see these are some options that you can add, and after that just click here and make payment. After that you can just go here and sign in to portal. After that in dashboard here you can see in hosting. So this is the hosting package that I have purchased. After that just click here on manage, and after that just click here settings. Scroll down here you can see these are the name servers that we need to connect in our domain so that our domain and hosting will be connected. So just I can copy these, and I have purchased hosting from this company hostinger.pk. Here you can see this is the domain name latestfullhdmovies.com. just click here on manage, and after that here you can see in name servers, just click here change name servers. After that scroll down here you can see these are the current name servers, just you can replace with your own name servers. And after that just I can copy this second one, add here. After that just click here on save button. In this way you can connect your domain with your hosting. After that the next step is just go to cPanel, and we need to install WordPress in our domain. So now you can see the cPanel has loaded, and after that scroll down here you can see these are various features that you can use and learn step by step. After that just click here app installer. So this is a basic tutorial that you can create your own website. Here you can see these are some platforms that you can use. Just click here. The first one WordPress. After that scroll here and click here on install now. After that, here you can see for SSL security you can just add HTTPS, and normally it is used HTTP. After that, you can select one of domains that you want to install WordPress. After that, you can select WordPress variant, and after that, if you get WP here, just you can remove this one. The next, you can add here website login detail, username, password, your own email address. After that, here you can add site name, description, and here you can select the plugins that you want to install by default. So this is important plugin if you install. After that, scroll down, here you can select one of theme. The next, you can click install now button, and after that WordPress will be installed. So this is the way that you can install WordPress, and after that let's check what we can do. At this step, WordPress is installed in our website. So now you can see how a fresh website looks on WordPress platform. In this website, just we need to log in. So how we can log in? Just add wp-admin after your domain name. After that, here we can add login details. So now just click here on login button. You can see we have logged in into our WordPress website. So this is a website dashboard, that how it looks. After that, just you can go here, appearance and themes. Now you can see by default this theme is active, and after that you can install new themes. And if you want to upload any premium theme file, just you can click here and upload your theme zip file. After that, you can select any of these free themes. So this is a themes library that contains thousands of WordPress themes. Just install, and after that we can activate this theme. So here you can see it takes just few seconds. So just activate it, and after that we need to install and upload some plugins. So just click here on add new. After that, here you can see I want to install this plugin, classic editor, classic widgets, and after that I want to install some more plugins. Really simple SSL. So this is a plugin that can install SSL in your website, and you can increase your website security, but I already have SSL. You can see this is a site log, so that means my website is secure. After that, you can add this one, and now I can add some plugins from my laptop. Here you can see I have, just I can select plugins from resources folder. Here you can see these are some plugins that I need to install. So if you just need any of these plugins, just you can type in the comment section, and I will send you link so that you can download these premium plugins and install in your website. So guys, you can see how easy to design a WordPress website and how is to install and plugins in WordPress website. So this is the easiest way. Just within few clicks you can install any of premium plugins as well as free plugins in your website. Alright, now you can check. I have installed Elementor Pro, but I got notification so that I need to install Elementor free variant. And after that, I can select inactive plugins. Just I can use bulk option. Select here, activate, click here, apply. So now you can see so it has activated all of plugins that are installed. As you can see, the website has clean and simple interface, but we want to add this professional website design in our simple website. So let's see how we can get this. Just go to dashboard. Here you can see in the dashboard, just you can find out appearance, starter templates. Now you can scroll down and find out a button, build your website now. So now you can select Elementor page builder. After that, here you can find out hundreds of pre-built WordPress template. These templates are designed with Elementor Pro. So just you can find out a search bar as well as categories drop down. So just you can find out any of the template according to your business. So for example, I can add a keyword interior design. So here you can see these are the all templates related to interior design. Just you can scroll down and select any of the template that you like. For example, I can select this one, and after that you can add your own logo file. If you don't have any logo, just you can scroll down, click here, skip and continue. After that you can select color scheme. The next you can add a font style, then click here, continue. So now you can fill out this form by adding your name, email address, then you add expertise. After that, make sure that you have checked these all boxes. The final step is just click here, submit and build my website. So this is the final result that you will get. After that, if you want to change this logo, just go to customizer page. Here you can see header builder, then go to site title and logo. So now you can add here your own logo file. After that, if you want to change this menu, just go to menu page. Here you can see how the menu page looks. Just you can remove anything in the menu. After that, in the same way you can add anything. Just click here and add to menu. So now you can sort out your menu by using drag and drop functionality. After that, click here, save menu. Now if you want to change any content, just you can click here, edit with Elementor. After that, here you can see home header. So now you can activate the container. After that, here you can see this is the home header. Just you can edit any of the content, click here. Here you can see now we can add a text. So here you can see the text is changing accordingly. After that, you can edit background image. Just go to section settings, go to style tab. Here you can see the large background image. Just you can add your own images. After that, scroll down. Here you can see it has a great design. So in this way you can create a professional interior design blog within couple of clicks.